Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you edit your images using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first things first, make sure you are subscribed to ChatGPT Plus guys, the paid version of ChatGPT. Go over to your profile, settings and beta features, and make sure plugins is enabled. And over here, create a new chat, go over to GPT-4 and make sure plugins is checked. And then on the plugin store here, so by the way, I'll show you two ways on how you can use or edit images using this ChatGPT Plus plugin store and search for image editor and then install it. Once installing it, make sure that you are selecting the image editor only. So by the way guys, it's experiencing issues right now, but all you have to do is follow all the steps, and once this tool is done on maintenance, you can now use it without any issues. So for example, you just have to go ahead and write a command. So any command really. So all you have to do is input that here. And as you can see, it might not work because the plugin is currently experiencing issues because it is ongoing maintenance. So as you can see here, there. But I'll show you guys on another way on how you can go ahead and edit your images. So make sure go to settings and beta again, and make sure that advanced data analysis is enabled. And once done, you create a new chat. Make sure you go over and select GPT-4 and advanced data analysis. And then here you can either provide a link and or drag and drop a random photo. So for example, uh, we drag and drop here. So make sure to go ahead and input your prompt. So for example, uh, there. So it might not be perfect, guys. So as you can see, it's now generating and processing it. So all you have to do, guys, is wait for the processes to finish. So let's try and view that. And as you can see, guys, it's now converted our uploaded image here. So this is the original one. And there, guys. So you can basically play along with this and there. So thank you guys for watching. That is all for today. Thanks, guys, and goodbye.